All right, so we're going to continue to talk about volume. We've already covered rectangular prisms, and that used the formula V equals capital BH. And we knew that the capital B stood for the area of the base. Well, today we're going to talk about triangular prisms. So if you remember, rectangular meant the shape of the base. So that means this time your base is going to be a triangle. Your sides are going to be rectangles. So, same formula. That's the beauty of using that formula. For volume, it works for every shape. The difference is, this time, the area of the base is this triangle, because it says so in the name. How do you find area of a triangle? Base times height divided by 2. And then you would have the height. Remember, the height is the distance from base to base. So this is going to be your height. All right, so if I told you that on this triangle, it's going to have a height, here's my right angle, and this height is going to be 4 inches. The base is 6 inches, and then this height is going to be 8 inches. So first of all, we're going to find the area of this base. So we're going to do volume equals base is 6, height is 4, divide by 2, times 8. Well, 6 times 4 is 24 divided by 2, times 8. So 24 divided by 2 would give me 12 times 8, and my answer is 96 inches cubed. So it's basically the same thing you did for rectangular prisms, except your base is a different shape. Now it's a triangle, so you have to do base times height divided by 2. Let's try some on your assignment. If you notice with your assignment, I'm kind of stepping you through the process. I started by giving you the whole formula, volume equals base times height. I reminded you the base is, area of the base is a triangle, so it's base times height divided by 2 times height. And then I gave you part of it. So the volume, so base times height would be 7 times 5. And this height out here is going to be 12. All right, so 7 times 5 is 35 divided by 2 times 12. So 35 divided by 2 is 17.5. Times that by 12, and you're going to get 210 inches cubed. So when you get to number 2, again, I've started you off with the formula. We have to plug in, I need to have the 13 for the base, I need 15 for the height. I've given you the other height. Well, here's where you want to work smarter and not harder. If I'm going to multiply by 2 and then divide by 2, those two things will just cancel each other out. Divide them out and you get 1. So all you really have to do now is your 13 times 5, and that's going to give you 195 feet cubed.